Hello everyone, I am Kusum. Today we will discuss about kinds of pronoun. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Now we will discuss about kinds of pronoun. Which kinds of pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Okay? Yes, now we will discuss possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun show possession. Everybody knows possession. Possession tells us who or what something belong to. Show relationship between people and animal. Now we can say we use them to show the relationship between people and object. Now here, look here. Example, is this pen yours? Here yours denote relationship between people and object. This is Catherine. She is a cousin of mine. Here mine tell us relationship between people and object. Whose jacket is this? This is his. His tell us about relationship between people and object. Is this Seema's book? Yes, it is hers. Hers here is relationship between people and object. Now we will discuss about reflexive pronoun. Okay. First of all, we can see example of personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. I, personal pronoun. Mine, possessive, ownership. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, no possessive form. We, ours, they, theirs. Okay, now we will talk about reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun used as an object of a verb when the action of verb affect the subject. The subject and the object refer to the same person or thing. Same person or same thing. Now we look example. They hurt themselves. Here themselves used as object of verb. Used as object of verb. They, subject. He blamed himself. He blamed himself. Affect, subject. They affect themselves. He affect himself. Emphatic pronoun. Now we will discuss about emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun used to emphasis. Emphasis, you know, to lay emphasis, to lay stress on the subject of the sentence. Now we will look example. I myself did it. Here myself is to lay emphasis. Emphasis on subject. Tia herself made the vase. Herself. If lay stress on subject. Here subject is Tia. Now we will talk demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun points to the noun to which it refers. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronoun. Look example. This, that singular, as we know. These, those plural. This is my book and that is yours. Those are new cars. These are old cars. Here that point of far singular. This point of near singular. Those and these point to near plural, point to near, point to far plural. Okay. Now we can say those. Those point to far plural and these point to near plural. Okay. Yes. Okay, look here again. Demonstrative pronoun points to the noun to which it refers. This, that, these, those. This, that, singular and plural. This, that, singular. These, those, plural. This, that, this singular for near, that singular for far. These, near for these, near, plural. Those, far, plural. Okay, yes. This is my book, that is yours. Here this is singular, that this is singular. But this is near point, that is far point. Those, plural, these, plural. Those, here those is point to for, plural. These point to near, plural. Interrogative. Interrogative used to ask question. WH family words. Who is your favorite singer? What has happened to you? Which of them is at fault? Whose are these filled? Whom do you want to see? WH family word. Which sentence start with WH family and end with question mark? We can say interrogative pronoun. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.